well, I'm back, I guess. This is a cold start of the Chevy Beretta. I want to try to do an update video of all these. I just want to start off with a good cold start video. It's January. We'll worry about updating later. I do have some stuff to say. 81,979 miles. Let's get this thing started up. 1991 Chevy Beretta. I've had it, well, it's my dad's. We've had it for about, if you've been following my channel, it's been in my videos for about, I want to say a year and a half. So here we go. Here we go. Still running really good. Everyday driver. Yeah, wipers. Let's get this stuff off the window. No? I'm gonna scrape that or something. Anyway, do an outside view here. Oh, this car is sort of hard to get out to. I think I'm taller than my dad now. ...2000 Chevy Cavalier, cold start now. Once again, I'll have an update and probably another drive video and a tour. So, here we go. This one's got the most of them all now. I'll describe how I got the miles sort of in a while. I got 145,079 miles. When I first featured this car, it had 139 on it. So it's not that bad. Here we go. It's a little rattly, but it still idles real smooth, and I will tell you about that problem if you remember seeing that video a long time ago about the ticking. That was my last video. Power windows, 1 out of 3 work. So, yeah. Well, I'll go ahead and shut this down, let my dad's car run. Well, take care.